What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome to the Tradman YouTube channel once again. Today I'm joined with the lovely Trad girl.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
Excellent.
Thanks for having me here.
Well, now and again I have to. It's in the contract. Today we've got an exciting announcement, so stay tuned. Right then folks, so let's not hang around. The exciting announcement we've got to tell you this month is that we are going to Interclean, one of the biggest shows on the planet, Amsterdam. We're going to be there, and the lovely Unger have invited us to demonstrate the traditional classic cleaning tools for folks like you to come along, have a go of them, try them in your hand and see what you think of the tools. And we're also going to be joined by the lovely A.E. McIntosh as well, who's going to be demonstrating the water-fed pole side of Unger's display. So things like
Love you, Ashley.
things like their RO system, their DI system, their actual poles and how they're set up, brushes, etc. So we personally are going to be demonstrating the classic tools. So what kind of things can you expect? Well, firstly, we're going to be demonstrating things like applicators and squeegees. Things like this, the Unger Ninja applicators. Also, the Unger Ninja premium squeegees. Let you have a go of them and see what you think and how to use them. Also, the Unger Ninja razor and holster, one of my favourites. Absolutely love this razor. We'll let you have a go of that. They also, yes, indeed, the microfiber cloths, both the regular microfiber cloths and the premium Ninja microfiber cloths. Got soap as well. We're going to be demonstrating.
Oh, why did I get the heavy one?
Yeah, you got the heavy one. I got the heavy one. Unger liquid, Unger gel. Let you have a go of them and see what you think as well. And also poles. We've got poles for you to try. This is the Unger Optilock pole. So Unger have low level glass and higher level glass for you to have a go at. So you can try, you know, these tools in kind of almost real life scenarios that you might face in your job. So that'd be nice to have a go with the high level stuff and have a play around with and see how good you are. But we're really excited for this year. It's been a long while since we've been at any of these shows because of the pandemic, so we're really excited to get back to some of these shows and actually to be invited by the world's leading manufacturer, Unger. That is really awesome as well. So, sweet. So we look forward to seeing you there, folks.
We cannot wait.
It's going to be
really
awesome.
Want to
It's going to be awesome.
Come over and say hello to us.
Like a kid in a candy store.
Take the tools and use them for yourself.
Yeah, it'd be absolutely fantastic.
Torture Tradman with every question possible.
Yes, do
Doesn't
that.
have to be with
And then
me
I'll point
with
you in
it.
her direction. Fantastic, folks. Well, safe journey if you're coming along, if you've got any questions, but also if you'd like to register, you can register in the comments section. I'll put it in there and the description as well. So you can register up until the
25th of this month, which is April. 25th April, and it's free to register.
Free to register.
Yeah.
There you go. So hope to see you there at Amsterdam Interclean 2022 at the Unger booth, whether you're into classic tools, water fed, or both. And there's also a very special chap that's going to be there as well. And I've never met this man personally, but I have seen his videos. He's a window cleaning artist. So he'll also be demonstrating his skills in drawing probably my ugly mug in the soap. No doubt. Hopefully I can get him to draw the Tradman logo. That would be pretty cool.
That would be very cool.
That would be pretty cool. Maybe teach me how to do it.
That would be very
That'd be pretty
cool.
sweet. But anyway, so we're looking forward to meeting all of you. Take care, be good, and remember...
Oh, you forgot something.
Did I?
You did.
I knew there was a reason I married
Not
you.
just us
Yes.
that are excited about seeing you. The Unger team personally.
Of course, they'll all be there.
They're so excited. They want you to come over and say hello.
Yes.
They made us say this in the video.
I've got £50 in my pocket to prove that. Nah, I'm joking.
Have you?
But
It's mine.
oh, I shouldn't have said that, should I? So yes, indeed, we're all looking forward to seeing you there and letting you have a go with the tools. Really excited for this year. So safe travels, and we'll see you at Interclean.
We will.
Take care, be good, and remember, keep squeegee slinging.